breakfast. Yeah, it's nice. You like this stuff?
Yes, no.
Yeah, no.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
This is the country life. Grandma would like it. Yeah. Nadia and Nazar, they don't like this, right?
No, definitely not on that.
No? But she likes the city?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Man, take a picture of the front of this. This is good, I like it.
Oh yeah, you have your phone, yeah.
Well, we gotta hurry up. We gotta get
Let's go get breakfast, I'm hungry. Oh my god. If you don't get that,
Morning.
Can I have you guys something?
Two for
Oh, the restaurant's actually going to be down the hall.
Yeah.
It's right after
where the restaurant is, right?
Yep, absolutely.
What one? Oh, also. I'm
Five,
in room
on five.
The smoke alarm, I think it needs a battery.
Uh-oh, okay, great.
Because it keeps beeping.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
checking out what occasion, somebody else.
Yeah, what
Everything is just easy since you told me what could become of me. I put together all the pieces.
I have to go to the room to get something. I forgot something. So beautiful out here. It's cold though. I'm not used to this weather. I'm Floridian, I'm used to the Florida hot. And it feels good after being in that heat so much. Change the weather feels good, a little cool. Put you on top right here, you're gonna get something. Okay, let's go. Back to breakfast. I am hungry. Oh, the train. Where's the train? Oh, you want to see the train, guys? Oh, let's go. Who's the train? I don't know. I guess the train's not coming. I don't know. Let me see. I don't know, guys. The train's not coming. If the train comes again, I'll put the camera back on. If I don't, it means it didn't come. There's a train coming. There's a train coming. Right there.
You got it?
No, it's still supposed to come. Yeah, I got it in my pocket, yeah.
Give me my keys. You turned it, right?
Yeah.
Tonight we're running on the right track.